So my name is Joe Brain. I'm a professor at the Harvard School of Public Health in the Department of Environmental Health. In terms of Swissnex, very early in Swissnex I met Christoph von Arb. A pivotal meeting for me was probably 6 or 7 years ago when Christoph said, let's talk about nanotechnology, and tell us something about potential health effects from nanoparticles. Is there such a field as nanotoxicology? So that was a meeting of 15 or 20 people, but it really ramped up a growing interest that we had in nanotoxicology. It led to my participating in a Nanotox 2008 in Zurich at ETH, and that led to increasing connections with colleagues there. Again, another one is this, we were just talking about our connection with SwissRe. Again, Pascal Marmier said, we want to have a meeting about longevity and aging and determinants of aging. Would you be willing to have it at the School of Public Health? And we said, yes, we'd be delighted. So we worked with Pascal in finding a suitable place and coming up with speakers and an audience. And then, when the meeting occurred, Pascal Marmier said, how about another connection? Why would you like to meet with some people who are coming from SwissRe from Zurich? And we did. And that turned out to be a very exciting meeting. We discovered that we had in common an interest in risk factors and health outcomes. The reinsurance company was more interested in better actuarial predictions. We were more interested in understanding the relationship between risk factors and health outcomes to make people healthier and help them live longer. It's a connection that would not have occurred without Pascal Marmier and with the Swissnex attitude. I think Switzerland is really regarded as a place where we can really benefit and learn from. Connections with Switzerland are valuable because Switzerland not only is looking for new ideas and new people and welcomes connections, but also has a lot to give. Yes, so my plans for the future are to stay connected. One of the great things about being at a university is you can be connected to young people. My other ambition is to stay connected, globally. Again, the School of Public Health, we've made a lot of progress. We have cleaner air, cleaner water, safer workplaces, but this is not true of many parts of the world.